Hey, good Sunday evening, everybody. Meteorologist Greg Majewski back with you here in the North Georgia First Alert Weather Center with your weather update here on your April 27th, 2025. Now, before we get going, we first always like to say thank you and welcome aboard to all our new followers here on our growing page. And if you're not yet officially a follower, what I please need you to do for me is go down to that link in the comments section. It's going to take you right to the main Facebook page right there. And you're going to hit that like in that upper right-hand corner. And that way, you're officially a follower here on the North Georgia First Alert Weather Center Facebook page. Now, if you happen to be watching on the YouTube side, well, you know what you got to do. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're alerted on future updates. Well, things not looking bad for this afternoon. A little late getting our report in here. Spent a little time with my daughter and family over near the Battery at Truist Park. Had a little lunch there today. It was a gorgeous day. Had a few more clouds out there than expected, but overall, really can't complain. And so how's the rest of our work week going to look like? Well, let's go ahead and take a look at that, shall we? Get you updated, get you ready for the upcoming week. As we're looking over toward Blairsville, not looking bad. Got some sunshine, got a few clouds out there, but really not bad here for this evening. The one thing you're going to notice in Blairsville tomorrow is probably a little more of a northeasterly wind that'll be kind of coming in here for tomorrow. And up along Dahlonega as well, again, kind of a partly sunny type afternoon here for this afternoon. But boy, I tell you, I really like the green this time of year, that new, fresh, light green color look this time of year. It looks so pretty. I really love it. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the radar. We're all clear across North Georgia. For the most part, should remain that way. I don't think you'll need the umbrellas till maybe the end of the week, and I'll show you that update on the 7-day here in just a second. As we're looking at our regional radar, got a stationary front to our south. You've seen the scattered showers and thunderstorms across South Georgia. Some pretty good thunderstorms over here toward Mississippi, but a little rain there in northern Alabama. But North Georgia, can't complain. Looking pretty good here for this afternoon. Again, a few more pockets of clouds kind of mixed in here for this afternoon, but I think tomorrow's going to be a little bit different. We're going to have a little ridge of high pressure moving in from the northeast, kind of coming down, and I think that'll allow for a little more sunshine, especially across the northeastern sections here for tomorrow. So as we go ahead and take a look at our regional model here, you notice these isobars. These are lines of equal pressure kind of moving in and kind of moving in this direction. So that's going to be some of that high pressure influence there. The rain scattered showers should remain mostly down toward our south, so I'm not anticipating any decent rains in here. And you notice it tries to set up a spotty shower here as we go toward the middle of the week. But I'm thinking Wednesday, Thursday, maybe 20% at best. The best rain chance will be with a frontal system that's going to arrive on Friday. And that's when we may see a few thunderstorms, but I'm not expecting any severe weather at this time. So let's go ahead and talk about that, and we'll look at your forecast maps here as we go through this upcoming week. So let's go ahead and talk about that as we'll go ahead and get you through this. Again, watch the little highlighter there as I kind of highlight the, kind of go through these weather maps here. And you're going to notice we're pretty much going to stay dry. There's a very active storm system in the middle of the country going forward tomorrow. So Monday night, they're going to get some pretty good severe weather up here, and I'm going to be doing some live coverage on my Weather Nerds page up here across areas of the northern plains and even back down here toward areas of Oklahoma and into Texas. So it's going to be an active severe weather evening tomorrow night. Could see some tornadoes break out in that area, but I'm not expecting that for our area. Notice that we've got that high pressure up there to the north and east. We're going to have that northeasterly wind coming in here throughout the day for tomorrow. So I think we're looking okay. So here we go, going into your Tuesday. Again, high pressure's in control. No problems there. Wednesday, still look at that high pressure and control in there, and that's going to keep that next storm system back off toward our west. Thursday, here comes the clouds increasing. Again, rain chance on Thursday right now, I'm still leaving it at about 20%. Friday, though, right now I'm going to bump that up to 40% on your Fridays. We wait for that system to come on through. And then right there, going into Saturday, Saturday's looking pretty good. It's looking great weather for both Saturday and Sunday. So if you got anything planned for next weekend, looks like another stellar weekend. Should be a pretty good one here all across our area. So let's go look at your forecast here for tomorrow, starting the new work week. Yeah, dirty word, Monday. I know what you mean. But we're looking at 76 and 57 there in Gainesville under mostly sunny sky. Again, areas across northeast Georgia might be a few degrees cooler, but also a little more sunshine anticipated in those areas. So, you know, it's 53 up in Clayton, 55 in Hartwell, a little bit milder over here, 59 in Marietta, Douglasville, 59, a lot of 57s over here. Partly cloudy tonight, east wind at 5. Tomorrow, the east wind comes up at 5 to 15. Expect more sunshine here, probably sunny skies over this way, maybe a few more clouds back off here across northwest Georgia. 79 in Dalton, 80 in Rome, 77 in Marietta, 76 in Gainesville, 74 over into Cornelia. How about our regional forecast? Whew, a lot warmer up here than it has been here recently. 89 in Memphis, 87 up there in Nashville. Again, you can see the residual kind of effects of that easterly wind. 75 in Asheville, 77 in Atlanta, 80 degrees in Columbia. So a little bit cooler up this way. milder and warmer down here toward the south. Mobile at 88, Destin at 82. All right, what about our 7-day forecast? Here's how it's looking for us here. I think we're going to see pretty good weather here. 76, 78, not bad for Monday and Tuesday. A few more clouds on Tuesday. Slight chance of rain on Wednesday and Thursday. Main rain threat coming on Friday with a cold front coming in. Could see a few thunderstorms right now. I'm not expecting anything to be worried about that. Not severe weather for right now. But next weekend, look at that. Wow, upper 70s, in the middle upper 50s for overnight lows. That's next weekend's looking very, very nice indeed. So just got to get through the whole thing called the old work week. Got to get on through this, and we're going to make it. Hey, I did have some good news on the Facebook side. I did post about this, but in case you missed it, Facebook did go ahead and monetize everything on this channel, which means subscriber service is going to start soon. We're going to start the stars programs also initiated there, and the postings will be able to start making some money. So again, my intent is to try to make this operation self-sufficient in time. So all that's coming. We don't have our old followers back yet. Hopefully that's coming. That shows they're at least moving in the right direction, and hopefully they'll cross my fingers. They'll give me that live capability I've requested to be cut early as well. Because typically when you launch a new Facebook page, you got to wait 60 days to get all that stuff turned on, and they turned it all on today. So we're making some progress, slowly but surely, and hopefully we'll be whole again, and we'll have a good operation, because eventually I do want to get advertising sponsors and really up our game and make this a very professional looking operation. And I'm probably going to share with you guys, especially when I get the subscribers on board, some of the vision that I'm seeing for this, and kind of share with another operation over in Tennessee to kind of show you where I'm hoping to take us in the future. All right, that's it for now. You guys take it easy, be good, stay safe, and we'll see you on tomorrow's edition. Until then, y'all have a great night. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.